Tips to help you make more money with affiliate marketing. Millions upon millions of computer users are logging on to the internet every day to do their shopping, and they have to find these products through search engines and websites. This is where you could come in as an affiliate marketer. If you can drive them to the products, you could earn a healthy commission, and this video will tell you how you can do it. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. It is important as an affiliate that you send your traffic to quality product pages, not to squeeze-in pages and other undesirable pages that may turn them off. You can bypass opt-in pages of websites by using link cloaking tools and sending your customers directly to sales letters and landing pages. A great affiliate marketing tip is to avoid laziness. Visitors know when you're just lazily placing affiliate ads on your website. This annoys visitors and will definitely drive them away. Visitors will be more keen on affiliate products if you write honest and detailed reviews about them. A good affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're in the right market. You want to be in a market where you'll make some money. You'll also want to be in one that is relevant to your interests. Doing a little bit of research will help you find the right market for you. A great affiliate marketing tip is to keep your website design simple. Though it may be tempting to pick a special font to make your website unique, it can also be very irritating to your visitors. Most visitors would rather see a standard font than a crazy one. If you cannot say everything you need to say about a product or service in only a few sentences, then it's probably better that you focus on other products. It's better to avoid products that require lengthy video presentations. Usually you only have a short amount of time to grab a reader's attention when they're using the internet. Choose products that only require a description that is short, sweet and to the point. Don't let these online shoppers come and go without taking advantage of their willingness to spend money. Their spending habits could very easily be putting money in your bank account starting tomorrow. You just have to follow the advice you watch here and work hard to build your marketing brand. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.